Today we learn about Mondale Robinson, who is an African-American civic leader. He helps Black boys and men see voting as a tool that solves everyday problems. Think of a toolbox in class. Each tool has a job. Voting helps a town choose helpers who fix roads, protect water, and fund schools. This story follows Mondale from a small town to a national effort and then back home again. We will see how listening, planning, and courage can turn worry into action. We will also see how one voice can invite many voices to join in and build real change for real people. Mondale Robinson grew up in Enfield, North Carolina. Enfield is a rail town with proud history and kind neighbors. Like many small places, it lost jobs when mills closed and stores went dark. Families stretched pay and kept hope alive. Mondale watched elders serve neighbors and learned that choices made far away shape life right at home. He spoke up in youth spaces and church circles. He learned to ask open questions and to listen closely. He kept a simple rule: speak with respect. Take notes. Turn feelings into plans that help the whole block. As he learned more, he noticed that many Black men were skipped by normal campaigns. Flyers came late or not at all. Door knockers stopped by once and never returned. Some men felt that politics was a loud show with little care for daily life. Some had faced rules and tricks that made voting hard. Mondale saw a fixable problem. He believed that steady contact and clear respect could turn doubt into action. He also saw that issues like jobs, healthcare, city buses, and safe parks are linked to ballots. When people vote, they help pick leaders who set those rules. Mondale Robinson founded the Black Male Voter Project. The team uses an approach called the BMEP Additory Approach. Additory means they do not toss out older tactics. They add new ways that include people who were left out. They study data and daily life at the same time. They check what hours people are off work. They set up barbershop talks and block parties. They visit gyms, faith halls, union lots, and college quads. They text and call and also sit down face to face. Music, food, and honest talk help build trust. They focus on 17 priority states where small gains can change outcomes. The project studies what Black men say they need. It designs plans around work shifts, childcare, and bus routes. It runs focus groups, concerts, and a club ambassador program. It trains local leaders to talk with neighbors and friends. It uses peer-to-peer texts that say, "I voted early and here is how you can too." It offers clear how-to steps for early vote and for mail vote where allowed. During the 2020 elections, the team began early in the year and kept going after. Many who had planned to sit out chose to vote. The project treats civic life as a year-round habit. In May 2022, Mondale Robinson won election as mayor of Enfield. He came home to help the place that raised him. The town had empty buildings and a tight budget, so he brought radical hope, which means hope mixed with daily work. He met with utility crews, shop owners, teachers, and seniors. He pushed for safer streets, better parks, and fair code rules. That summer, on July 26, 2022, a Confederate monument in a town park came down after a vote by leaders and public debate. The change aimed to honor all neighbors and to welcome visitors who see the town as a place for everyone. Mondale and partners began planning clean energy for the town. The vision was a solar site and a weatherization center to cut power bills. The plan would bring jobs, training, and storm-ready power. Clean energy can keep homes safe during heat or cold, can keep small stores open when lines go down, can lower monthly bills for families on tight budgets. The effort linked climate goals with kitchen table needs. It showed that local government can be bold and kind at the same time. Students could tour the site, learn about science, and picture clean energy jobs for their future. The work is not easy. Some myths say that Black men are not interested in voting. Mondale says many men want respect, fair facts, and solid reasons to join in. Some news and social posts try to divide friends or push doubt. The project answers with patience and neighbors talking to neighbors. It meets people where they are, at music shows, barbershops, and basketball courts. When a plan does not work, the team checks why and tries again. It honors people who are returning citizens where voting rights are restored. It explains rules in clear steps so no one is left behind. Mondale Robinson shows that leadership can be gentle and strong at the same time. He turned listening into action. He turned action into better choices on ballots and in budgets. His work helps shape fairer rules and safer towns. It proves that who we elect affects bus stops, lunchrooms, and playgrounds. You can help too. Ask a trusted adult to show you when local meetings happen. Learn how voting works in your area. Visit City Hall and see where decisions are made. Care for your block and your school. Small steps add up. Your voice matters today and tomorrow. If you like this video and would like to see more content like it, please give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and subscribe to our channel. Our goal is to educate and preserve history.